Good morning, class 5. Myself Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Today, according to the syllabus, we are going to discuss quick assignment. So, in quick assignment, the first question, it says mark a tick against the correct word and cross against the wrong word. First question, proteins are, two options there, building block, energy giving nutrient. So proteins are body building. So first will be body building. Protein slash carbohydrates are energy giving nutrients. Which one is energy giving nutrients? Carbohydrate. Third, deficiency of what? Nutritious food or clean water is called malnutrition. Nutritious food. Common cold is communicable or non-communicable disease? Communicable disease. Polio is a communicable or non-communicable disease. Polio is caused due to virus and it is a communicable disease. Okay. Fill in the blanks. Dash is necessity of all living beings. What is the necessity of all living beings? Food. Food is the necessity of all living beings. Second question, food with all the dash is called balanced diet. What? Nutrients. Third, fat remains dash in our body for later use. So fat remains stored. Fourth, vitamins are and minerals are needed by our body in dash quantity, small quantity. And fifth, the malnutrition causes, malnutrition means lack of nutrition. So malnutrition causes deficiency disease. Causes deficiency disease. So C, question number C. Question says write one word for the following. Food with all nutrients is called balanced diet. Disease caused by infection, communicable disease. Disease that can pass from sick person to healthy person. Communicable disease. Disease caused by deficiency of vitamin C, scurvy. And disease caused by deficiency of iodine, that is goiter. Okay, next is match the following, column A and column B. In column A, first question is soybean, so it is the source of protein, so option D. Cereals, it is the source of carbohydrate, so option A. Sunlight is the source of vitamin D, option E. Calcium and phosphorus, that is essential for bones, so option B. And malaria is a communicable disease, so option C. Okay, so by this we have completed the quick assignment. So if you have any problem, you can ask in the morning. Otherwise, see this and do in your fair. Thank you.